Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Hashcloud cloud storage app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Hashcloud is a cloud storage and file sharing app that allows users to upload, store, and share files through a unique hashtag-based system. Instead of traditional links or accounts, you generate a custom hashtag with an optional password so others can upload or download files easily. The service is hosted in Germany, offering GDPR-compliant data protection and supports access via both the mobile app and the web platform. The app's main feature is its hashtag file sharing system. You create a tag, add files, choose privacy options, and instantly share it with anyone. It's designed for simple, fast, and temporary file exchanges. Hashcloud offers 1 GB of free storage, with paid upgrades for additional space. You can manage files, upload multiple items at once, and collaborate with others by letting them add files to your shared hashtag. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its simplicity, ease of sharing, and privacy-first hosting. It's especially useful for classrooms, quick team sharing, or sending files without creating accounts. The lightweight interface makes it accessible even for non-technical users. However, there are some drawbacks. The free plan offers very limited storage, and the system does not include advanced features like device sync, automatic backups, or long-term archiving. Some users report reliability issues and slow upload speeds during peak times. Also, because content is hashtag-based, links may become unusable if tags expire or are deleted. In summary, the Hashcloud app may be worth using if you want fast, simple, hashtag-based file sharing with GDPR-level privacy and no sign-up requirements. However, if you need large storage capacity, automatic backups, or advanced cloud tools, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.